a young organisation is growing strong in 2015.
A very warm welcome to everyone at the Brain Forum 2015.
For its second event, held in Lausanne, Switzerland.
How does the brain work is the question.
The brain is such a complex problem. There is no one right way to tackle it. So to hear multiple perspectives is really valuable.
I think in hindsight this will be seen as one of the golden ages of neuroscience. We have this confluence now of technology, entrepreneurship, of industry, of government, of medicine, and of basic science, of academic science, all coming together to understand the human brain. And this is a wonderful showcase here at this conference that highlights all those different strands.
The Brain Forum hosted 1,200 participants from 27 countries.
My question is,
what do we do about the biological complexity?
Including the world's top neuroscientists, health experts, and brain stakeholders.
Everything we do so far is all about open access.
For 2 days of exchange.
Of the 1.3 billion people in China, it has been estimated that about 1/5 suffers from a neurological disorder in a lifetime.
For the U.S. Brain Initiative, the U.S. is planning to ramp up total investment by 2025 of $4.5 billion.
there's been a clear need for a forum like this, and really to create the high-level network, captures all of the different levels and stakeholders, but also the trajectory that it's taking. I mean, this world is basically ready for this forum.
Neuroscience-related businesses showcase their innovations in an exhibition hall.
It's the perfect venue. I mean, neuroscience, well-being, mindfulness, they kind of all combine, and this is the perfect environment to showcase these types of new technologies.
Is it too tight?
No, it's good.
Did you like it?
That's amazing!
And this is for patients who are waking up from a coma?
We were able to show for the first time premiere. You were actually teleported somewhere in Zurich, looking all around, seeing your body.
We know that the brain is plastic, so it can rewire and reconnect, and then we can relearn to move after there was damage to the brain.
And renowned researchers shared discoveries that will lead to our next breakthroughs.
What I'm trying to do is to create signalling in the language of biology that we can intelligently control our appetite. It's not just about making sick people better or unhealthy people healthy, but healthy people healthier. And I think that's where the vagus nerve comes in.
There are probably around 100,000 neuroscientists around the world that are individually digging into their particular corner of the brain.
Provide the spinal cord with the kind of information that the brain would deliver naturally in order to walk.
Could young plasma actually restore cognitive function and rejuvenate a mouse brain?
By all accounts, the exchange enriched its many participants with networking, connections, and new insights.
This is something that we begin a voyage, but it's a determination towards a unifying understanding.
The hallmark of any good meeting is, your mind is beginning to change as you're sitting on a panel or sitting in the audience. And then as you go home at night, your head is sort of swirling with a whole new networks of clouds and things going on. And you wake up in the morning and you go, aha, that's the way to think about this problem. That's what meetings like this can do.
A special section invited young neurotechnology entrepreneurs to pitch their startups.
What is now your strategy?
Our goal at Intento is to extend constraint-induced movement therapy.
At Neurix, we can provide the neuroactivity of the molecule.
Yeah, I understand how you can make money off the implant, but what about rehabilitation phase?
If I was an investor, I think I would definitively consider all those companies today.
Paving the way for future innovation and collaboration between academics, private investors, the health industry, and beyond.
I'm very proud to see what has materialized out of the research into breaking technology and scientific discoveries. The sky is the limit, as they say.
I see forums like this creating, if you like, the future doctor. A doctor who will be looking at your medical future and not your medical history, that centres on the brain but has its tentacles, if you like, in other medical directions. I think Dr. Walid Jafali has really hit the nail on the head by pulling this together the way he has.
The Brain Forum 2015, turning the spotlight on brain research by aligning science, resources and solutions. Join us at the Brain Forum 2016 at the Swiss Tech Convention Centre in Lausanne, Switzerland.